2014 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow-and-go seating or the innovative swivel-and-go seating. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, entertainment system, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.